The Yamaha Tricity 300 isn't just another scooter. It's a revolutionary leap forward in urban mobility. Welcome back to Lux Auto X, where we dive into the most innovative rides redefining the roads. Today we're spotlighting a machine that blends comfort, technology, and confidence-inspiring control. The Yamaha Tricity 300. At first glance, the Tricity 300 stands out with its bold front-end design, featuring twin front wheels that offer more than just a unique look. These aren't for show, they bring unmatched stability, especially in corners and wet conditions. Yamaha's leaning multi-wheel, LMW technology, allows the scooter to lean naturally into turns while maintaining superior front-end grip, giving riders a sense of balance you just can't get from a traditional two-wheeler. Powering the Tricity 300 is a 292cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder blue-core engine. It's efficient, responsive, and delivers enough punch to handle both city traffic and open roads with ease. Whether you're navigating tight urban streets or cruising through suburban stretches, the engine's smooth power delivery makes every ride enjoyable. One of the most appealing aspects of the Tricity 300 is how accessible it feels. Thanks to the optimized riding position and low center of gravity, it's incredibly easy to handle, even for riders new to larger scooters. The standing assist system helps keep the scooter upright when stopped, adding another layer of confidence when navigating busy intersections or tight parking spots. Yamaha hasn't held back on features either. The Tricity 300 comes with a fully digital LCD instrument panel, a spacious under-seat storage area that can easily hold 2 full-face helmets, and smart key operation for added convenience. The brakes are ABS-equipped, and the unified braking system ensures smooth balanced stopping power, exactly what you want in unpredictable city environments. From a design perspective, the Tricity 300 exudes a premium, futuristic vibe. The aerodynamic bodywork, sculpted seat, and sharp LED lighting give it a sleek, modern presence. It doesn't just perform well, it looks the part too. But the real beauty of the Tricity 300 lies in its purpose. It's designed for urban commuters who want the freedom of a motorcycle without compromising on stability or ease of use. It's also a perfect solution for those looking to transition from a car to a more sustainable, compact alternative. If you're in the market for a scooter that combines innovation, safety, and comfort, all while turning heads, the Yamaha Tricity 300 might just be the ultimate urban mobility solution. Subscribe to Lux Auto X for more deep dives into futuristic rides, and let us know in the comments, would you ride a three-wheeler like this?